These days, having a great television really helps make our time at home more enjoyable. We all appreciate a TV that delivers a clear picture, smart features, and a price that fits our budget. The Insignia 50-inch F30 Series TV is designed to offer just that. It brings a lot of great features at a very friendly price. Let's take a look and see what it has to offer. This TV is a favorite among those who are mindful of their budget. It's a wonderful choice for families or anyone looking for an easy-to-use smart TV. And if you're new to 4K resolution, this TV is a fantastic way to experience the upgrade. The model number for this TV is NS-50F301NA24. Keeping track of the model number is helpful when you're looking at different options and features. You can bring home this Insignia TV for just $209.99, making it a fantastic value for a 50-inch screen. Now let's take a look at some of the standout features. This TV offers a beautiful 4K ultra-high definition resolution. That means you'll enjoy a picture that's sharp and full of detail. The LED panel brings out bright, vibrant colors and deep, rich blacks for a great viewing experience. One of the best parts is the built-in Fire TV, making everything super easy to use. Streaming your favorite shows and movies is a breeze with this smart TV. The Fire TV interface is designed to be simple and welcoming, making it easy for everyone to use. With the Insignia 50-inch F30 series, you'll enjoy access to thousands of streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and Hulu, all right at your fingertips. Navigating through the menu is a breeze with the included remote, so you can find your favorite shows in no time. The remote even has dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, making your viewing experience extra convenient. Plus, this TV comes with Alexa voice control for hands-free help. You can simply use your voice to search for content or control playback, and even adjust the volume, making your entertainment experience smooth and enjoyable. The Insignia 50-inch F30 series really stands out when it comes to picture quality. With 4K UHD resolution, you get 4 times the detail of standard HD TVs. That means your favorite movies and shows look incredibly clear and detailed. The LED panel makes everything pop with vibrant colors and deep black levels, creating a truly enjoyable viewing experience. While it may not have all the advanced HDR features of some premium TVs, the picture quality is genuinely impressive, especially for its price. The sound quality on the Insignia 50-inch F30 series is pleasant and perfectly suitable for most everyday viewing. With 2 built-in speakers, you'll enjoy clear audio that works well for movies, shows, and casual listening. If you're someone who loves rich, detailed sound or want to create a truly immersive movie night at home, you might enjoy adding a soundbar or even a dedicated home theater system for that extra wow factor. The Insignia 50-inch F30 series makes it easy to connect all your favorite devices. With 3 HDMI ports, you can easily hook up your gaming console, cable box, and streaming device. No need to choose just one. There's also a handy USB port, perfect for playing your favorite media from an external drive. And for those who want a super steady connection, the Ethernet port is ready to keep your streaming smooth and reliable. There's so much to love about the Insignia 50-inch F30 series. To start, it offers fantastic value for your money. You get a 4K UHD Smart TV with Fire TV built in, all at a wallet-friendly price. The smart features are a breeze to use, thanks to the intuitive Fire TV interface. The picture quality is wonderful for the price, with sharp details and vibrant colors that really pop. And with Alexa voice control, enjoying your favorite shows is even more convenient and fun. The Insignia 50-inch F30 series brings a lot to the table, but like any TV, there are a few things that could make the experience even better. The sound quality is good for everyday viewing, but if you love a truly immersive audio experience, you might enjoy adding some external speakers. Gamers may notice the response time is a bit more relaxed, especially with fast-paced games. And while the TV offers great visuals, it doesn't include some advanced features like Dolby Vision HDR or a high refresh rate, which are features you'll often find in higher-end models. The Insignia 50-inch F30 series is a wonderful choice for anyone looking to get great value without breaking the bank. It's especially appealing for families, students, or anyone who wants an easy-to-use and affordable 4K smart TV with impressive smart features and picture quality. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 5,000 reviews, you can feel confident that this TV is well loved by many. If you're passionate about gaming or audio and want the very latest features, you might also enjoy exploring some higher-end models. But for most, the F30 series is a fantastic fit.